Hello everyone. So I've been working on cleaning up my bedroom, which is the other area that I keep most of my craft stuff. So I started adding stuff, or I've had these drawers for a while now, and I haven't been able to get into this drawer set. For a while I tried putting it in my closet, I tried putting it in other spots, and it just didn't work. Then I had this set up in my living room and like a pull-out shelf here, and I decided to switch them. So this is what I've been up to the last few days. Then I've had my Cricut Maker sitting here for a while now. Sorry if you get a little blinded. And then beautiful pictures of my oldest. Now I'm going to go down this way. Now I do this like patchwork thing, and I wanted to make sure I had that still in my bedroom ready to go. Underneath here is all my plastic canvas stuff I have just hidden underneath there. Then my sewing area. Now I have several little groupings of things. This is my squares that I've been working on. These are projects that are bigger that need to get done. This is all my paper projects as I do them and need to get them sewn. I just stick them in there. And then the nice sewing machine project runway limited edition brother machine. And recently I put this shelf up. It was somebody's medicine cabinet, and I found it on the side of the road, and I'm like, oh, this would work perfectly. It'd hang up and it's nice and sturdy. Then I have my mess right up here, which this has jars and stuff. My case for my sewing machine that's really dirty that I need to clean. And I need to go through these shelves slowly but surely. I just haven't yet. Some of it's organized, but most of it is not. And then my printer. Then we go through this way. It's my bed. And currently I am working on all the stuff that I just got done sewing. I put in a box. And then I slowly organize it while watching TV. This is what I do. And this is also where I work on my computer stuff, which is my regular HP. Then I have my papers, my specialty papers, and my cardstock and my regular copy paper and all that in here. And these have cards and randoms. And then I have, sorry to say, a horrible, this is all full of craft stuff. And this is all full of craft stuff. I mean, I do have a little bit of my own clothing mixed in, but most of it's craft stuff. Yeah. I have quilting, batting, and all kinds of stuff just hanging out randomly. I'm a bit overwhelmed by this. And I still have these two containers to go through, but I have a housing inspection coming up, and I needed to get this done and over with a little bit, or at least cleaned up. How about this? We'll look at this while I'm talking. So, I just wanted to do a quick update on what's going on, why I haven't been on the last day, and hopefully I'll be back to crafting tomorrow. Or I'll show you my other organizational projects that I need to get done before the 1st. So, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day or night. Bye!